Something tells me that what appeared on the slopes of Shenzhen wasn't the DJI Pocket 4 Pro after all. After seeing Igor Bogdanov's post, the design and filming style feel far more aligned with Insta360's direction than DJI's usual Pocket identity. Just a small comparison, but definitely a curious one. This image shows a mystery handheld camera on a gimbal spotted outdoors in a cold, snowy setting. On the left, the device features a dual-lens camera head, which instantly grabs attention. On the right, a blurred comparison reveals a pocket-style camera with a small screen, hinting at familiar DJI DNA. The side-by-side view sparks real curiosity. Is this DJI's next move, or Insta360 quietly stepping in?
That's the uncomfortable question many fans are quietly asking right now. Every time leaks start popping up and prices begin to rise, excitement mixes with doubt. But this latest leak, showing a clear, final-looking retail box of the DJI Pocket 4, changes the mood completely. This doesn't feel rushed or experimental. It feels deliberate. For the first time, we're not dealing with a blurry test shot or a shaky hands-on image. This is a proper retail box. And that matters, because box designs usually appear very late in development. Translation: the Pocket 4 is likely closer to launch than many expected. The box also reveals something important right away: a single camera lens. No dual lens setup here. That confirms this is the DJI Pocket 4 standard, not the Pro version. And honestly, that might actually be good news. The Pocket 4 standard is shaping up to be the true successor to the Pocket 3, not some confusing half-step upgrade. According to the leak, it comes with a 1-inch sensor, which is huge for a camera you can literally slip into your pocket. Bigger sensor means better low light performance, cleaner images, and that subtle cinematic background blur creators love. On the video side, it can shoot 4K at up to 120 FPS, making slow-motion shots smooth, detailed, and actually usable. Autofocus is another area DJI seems to have quietly improved. The Pocket 4 reportedly brings better object tracking, helping a camera stay locked onto faces or moving subjects. If you're a solo creator or vlogger, that's a big deal. Battery life also gets a welcome upgrade, offering over 200 minutes of recording. Less charging, more shooting. Simple wins. Design-wise, DJI didn't try to reinvent everything. Thankfully, the Pocket 4 keeps the familiar look, but adds a smart new touch. When you rotate the screen horizontally, 2 new physical buttons appear.
The left button handles zoom, while the right one is customizable, letting you jump into your favorite settings instantly. Small change, but it makes the camera feel more pro in daily use. Now, let's talk about the DJI Pocket 4 Pro. If the rumors are true, this could be the biggest upgrade in Pocket history. We're talking about a dual camera setup, a main 1-inch 50MP wide camera, plus a telephoto lens with 2x to 4x optical zoom. The telephoto sensor is rumored to be 1.1 inch, which is honestly kind of crazy for a compact camera. Video specs reportedly jump to 6K at 60 FPS and 4K at 240 FPS, along with 10-bit color and D-Log-M for serious color grading. Even the battery may grow to 1545 mAh. Of course, all this power comes at a price. Both versions are expected to cost more, with the Creator Combo landing around $700 to $750. As for launch timing, current leaks point to late February or early March. So, is DJI ruining the Pocket series or quietly preparing its biggest glow-up yet? From what this leak shows, the Pocket 4 doesn't feel like a mistake. It feels like DJI playing a very confident game.